back to my balcony garden, where I share another amazing episode about my plants. Another garden update, sharing my jade plant. It's turning red. They say when they turn red that they're in some kind of stress. But it does look beautiful. As you can see, my jade. Turn her around. She's growing up like a stalk. Beautiful jade. In the company of the calicoli, blue pickle plant, and the hens, and those rosettas right there. But yeah, this is my stress jade. Another garden update. Thanks for watching. Jades are beautiful plants.